So who are you?
Simon Crosby. I'm the CTO for Data Center and Cloud at Citrix Systems. So it starts, in Citrix context, virtualizing applications and virtualizing desktops is a major portion of our business. Growing very, very fast. We've virtualized something like 3.5 million desktops in the last couple of quarters. And that's really the enterprise buying into the notion that having all these PCs distributed around their facilities and also having a large number of their users running around with laptops is the worst thing you could ever do for security.
Yeah.
Because a vast amount of enterprise state is on those hard disks. Structure for the customer in off-prem.
Yeah.
Which is actually, in my view, a waste of time.
Why?
It's a factor of 10 too expensive for anybody to do it. Moreover, if you're a service provider and you want to offer VMware as a hosted service play, it's extraordinarily expensive to do it. Everybody else can do it, and they'll offer exactly the same thing. So you're instantly paying a lot to be a commodity.
Yeah, and partly why Rackspace Cloud uses Citrix, right? So
correct. And so in open cloud,
seems interesting, but it's very expensive.
Very expensive. Factor of 10 more. This is what we're getting from the service providers we've been dealing with.
Yeah.
And so that's a challenge for them. But more importantly, we're not hypervisor agnostic here. I mean, I happen to be the Zen guy, came in with Zen server. But we've worked very closely with Microsoft on Hyper-V. We're absolutely compatible with Hyper-V, and we will run any VM from VMware. If the customer has an investment, the worst thing you can do is say, no, I'm not going to honor that, right? So any hypervisor is a mandate. That is, even if the enterprise has adopted VMware for their core infrastructure, they should be able to adopt the Rackspace Cloud for their non-local infrastructure, right? Yeah. And any assumption that I have to have VMware here and VMware there just seems to be fundamentally broken.
Apple's really disrupting the enterprise that much. Huh?
Huge. And then what Citrix does is deliver the entire Windows franchise to any Apple or Android or BlackBerry device, right? So any Windows app or any desktop, we can deliver to any device today.
Yeah.
And so today at Citrix, we have 40% of our population, of our workers, bring in their own devices as their primary device. And Citrix does not own that device. We simply deliver to it. So delivery to is a big thing, right? Self-service access to your apps and your desktop, and that means IT doesn't have to own or manage that device. Incredible savings.